Sticky ideas. What's that all about? Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave, and in this video, and I'm sorry the room is a little bit echoey, we're videoing in a different place today, I'm going to talk to you about sticky ideas, and this is actually from a really good book that I would highly recommend called Made to Stick by the Heath brothers. I think it's Dan and Chris Heath. Really, really good book. They've written 3 books, and that's probably my favourite. And they talk about something called the success principle or the success strategy of sticky ideas. Ideas that get shared, that get noticed, grab people's attention in the newsfeed, get read, get consumed, get watched, and get acted upon. And that's what we all want for our content, right? So this is what success, spelt wrongly, is. That bothers me a little bit. Success with one S, well, it's 2 S's, isn't it, Tilly? I told her to look up success with 1 S, but she actually wrote success with 1 S. Success with only 1 S stands for simple, unexpected, concrete, credible, emotional, and stories. So how does that relate to content? I'm glad you asked. Here we go. We have recently written a blog for our Firewave members, and it's called 6 Secrets of Fabulous Property Photography. And it's all about how to get the best from your property photography, of course showcasing the agent themselves and their own skills in marketing. If we applied the success with 1 S principle to this particular piece of content, this is what we could do. So simple, it's actually a really simple idea. It's 6 secrets of fabulous property photography. It's a simple idea. So it's something that people will dive into easily. It doesn't say 101. It doesn't say the 9-step process. It just says 6 simple secrets or 6 secrets. So it sounds like a simple idea to start with, and that hooks people in. Unexpected, it says the word secret. When you read it, you'll read some things that maybe you haven't read before. For example, make sure your agent and the photographer knows what time of day the sun is on the front of the house. It's probably something they've never even thought of before, but it's something that puts the agent in a good position, a position of authority. Concrete, it's 6. It's actually very concrete because as you're reading it, you think, right, these are definite steps I can take myself. And they feel doable. Concrete. Credible. When you're reading through the content or the blog post or watching the video, however you're consuming it as a seller, then what you're looking for is the credibility of the person writing the piece of content or the person producing it. And what you'll see is the steps that we've given that seller to go and follow actually position the agent as an expert. The position as somebody that knows what they're talking about, has done this before, and what you can do is you can even show like before and afters, or you can show photographs of beautiful homes, photographed beautifully, that actually have taken these 6 steps, and therefore it positions the piece of content as being credible, and therefore the author of it. Emotional. Is there some way you can tweak their emotional heartstrings in this piece of content? So saying things like, what the photographer needs to capture is the way that the light comes through the window of your kitchen as you're eating breakfast, or the lovely view out of the window at the birds singing in the trees, or the nursery where your child grew up. Those are the kind of things that really hook that emotional capital and make sure that people will then read and act and remember the content. And lastly, stories. I love to tell stories in my content. I think it's really important to include stories, and it actually keeps people moving through the content more quickly. So if you tell a story, and this is what we've done in the 6 Secrets of Fabulous Property Photography, we've told a couple of stories, and that keeps people galloping through the content till they get to the end and then they want to take action. So hopefully that's been helpful to you. The success principle. And if you are a reader or a listener, because it's on Audible as well, I was going to say, that's not the title of the book. The title of the book is Made to Stick by the Heath brothers. They've also written Moments and Decisive as well, so really worth reading those. If you'd like to know more about what you get as a Firewave member, and I have delved into a little bit of it here, all you need to do is first of all find out if your area is available. If it's available, we can have an initial chat. If it's not available, we can actually offer to waitlist you. So all you need to do is go to fire-wave.co.uk/start. Just start your journey with us, and who knows where it might lead. We'll hopefully speak to you very soon. Bye for now.